I want you to smile right now for me, all right? Maybe you're not smiling because there's a discoloration issue or you're just not happy with your smile. Well, you don't have to suffer through it. I took a trip to see Dr. Steve Marsh to hear all the ways he can help. Spending some time here at the offices of Dr. Stephen Marsh, right off of I-271, Cedar and Brainerd Road. Very simple to get to, Doctor. Thanks for spending some time with us.
My pleasure, Joe.
All right, let's talk about teeth and color. So many patients come to you because they don't like the color of their teeth.
Right, and that can happen from a variety of reasons. If somebody falls and bumps their tooth, oftentimes the tooth will turn dark. If it's had a root canal, that will also usually turn a tooth dark. Some people have white spots. That's just how their teeth come in. Sometimes as you age, get older, sometimes some of the brightness goes away. As we brush, we take off some of the enamel. The next layer is dentin. Dentin tends to be yellow. So for all of those reasons, people come to see us to see what can they do to improve their smile.
One of the things we love about you and our time together is the before and afters, and you're going to feature some patients that you've helped. Our first one is Hallie, right?
Right, and Hallie, and I'll actually show you what she looks like. This is Hallie, and her teeth came in with a lot of decalcification.
So yeah, they're miscolored in different spots.
Miscolored, and we're not sure if it happens because of toothpaste ingestion. It can be from another number of things. It can just be development. But in any case, her teeth started out like that. We talked about ways we can treat it. She's not a candidate for Zoom whitening or any type of whitening, so we actually removed them and we did porcelain veneers to give her the beautiful smile that she has.
Goodness. Yeah.
And what was interesting is we started with 6 teeth. We had talked to her about 8. She did it in stages, and oftentimes, Joe, our patients will do it in stages. She's a teacher, whatever works for her. Our next patient's Dion. I mentioned that over time, sometimes if you bump your tooth, it'll turn dark.
Okay.
And that's what happened. He was playing sports. He got a baseball right in the front. I was a baseball player. Luckily, that hadn't happened. But he also didn't like the space, even though it was a family tradition. He said, I want to close the space. I have a new girlfriend. She'd like my teeth whiter and looking better. And we often hear that. So we did 4 porcelain veneers, Joe, to give him that beautiful smile. And he liked it, and so did his girlfriend.
That's a home run.
That was the right analogy, actually, metaphor, if you will. So our next patient's Kathy. So Kathy's one of those people who, over time, she's in my age group. The teeth turned dark. She had different dentistry done at different times. She said, I want to invest in myself. I've invested in my kids and the rest of my life. And so, Joe, we did 8 porcelain veneers. We reshaped the lower, and she said she feels 10 years younger.
Beautiful.
Thanks so much. And our last patient is Tracy. And like the first patient, Tracy was a teacher. And over time, she had had a lot of dentistry. Her teeth had moved a lot. And she said, you know, it's about time for me to take care of myself, just as many patients who come to us say. And we looked at different options, and she said, I want a big, beautiful smile. We also have a selection of colors or shades that patients can do. And she said, I want something bright. I want it to stand out. I want a little pop. And we can customize those shades depending on who the patient is. So for Tracy, we gave her this beautiful, bright smile, and she said she feels so much more comfortable when she sees people. And she's a very happy person, and now she says she doesn't cover her smile. She's just glad to be with others.
She's sharing it with so many. Doctor, it's really, the truth is that teeth really aren't white, right? There's different shades within everyone's mouth.
And that's very true.
Right.
And so some people are born with teeth that are brighter, some aren't so lucky, and some fade over time. You're right. Absolutely.
Yeah, so it's not a situation of having that perfect smile, because everybody has their own perfect smile waiting to happen.
It can be done.
It's just a matter of time.
As I said, you can leave it up to the patient as to the shade, and we help them make that choice.
Well, if you don't like the color of your teeth or anything about your teeth, Dr. Stephen Marsh and his team are waiting for you. Simply give them a call at 440-461-1003 or log on to the website clevelandsmiles.com. Thank you so much, Doctor.
My pleasure.